Yeah, it's the spring that's unfortunately given way. As you can see, it's got a little bit past its sell-by date. It's broken in several places, so you can't wind it up, I'm afraid.
So if you fix that, it will be even stronger, the back.
What's wrong with it?
Okay, so it doesn't spray water, and I think the brush doesn't turn as well.
Just a moment. Take the back off for you. There you go. It's a modern battery box. Right.
And what's wrong with it?
She's broken off the connector.
Sitting in the loft and came across this apparently a smoker's penknife, which was rusted to pieces, and I was going to bin it, but it was my dad's, so I brought it in and it was saved. And here we have the penknife, the pokey thing for the bit of the pipe, and the tamper for tamping the tobacco down. So I'm very happy. Thank you.
It was a double-ended zip, and this bit's fine, and that bit wasn't. So I've just put a block on it at that end.
A wallet for this gentleman over here, yes. It's his favourite wallet, yes.
All right.
It's an old timer. So give it a go.
Is that
Right, so I need a triangular screwdriver.
how's it going?
Terrible. This is one of the most commendable things that we've ever done.
Are you pleased?
I'm very pleased because they're not cheap to replace.
Call it vintage.
Well, I think they might 1920. I think they're about 1920s, aren't they?
They could be, couldn't they? Yeah. That is brilliant.
Third bit, so there was 3 bits, and if you don't put them together at one moment in time, then you have one excluded piece that can't get in because there's no room for it.
Of course, yeah.
It's definitely been a day of electricals today, hasn't it?
Well, we replaced the belt. We found the fault and replaced it with the parts, so if we can get it back together, it will work.
I'm ecstatic.
Wow.
Seriously.
That is great. What are you going to listen to first?
Steve Bang. I think probably some camel.